A Twinkl original, Charlie, the firefighter. What can you see in this picture? Can you see that there are two people here? Do you know what are they? What are they doing? Who are they? Yes, they are firefighter. Let's take a look to the story. No, look at all of these tools that firefighter use. Tulip class were all listening eagerly, waiting for Mr. Clark to tell them the big news. What are the big news? Next week, said Mr. Clark, we are going on a very special trip to the fire station. We will meet someone called Charlie who will tell us all about being a firefighter. Ooh, firefighter. All week, the children were buzzing with excitement. I can't wait to meet Charlie, said Dylan. I bet he's so cool. I think he'll be really strong, said Medina. I'm going to tell him that I want to be a firefighter too, said Tayo. Finally, Monday arrived and it was time to go to the fire station and met Charlie. Tulip class lined up with their partners and made their ways to the bus. Billy and Amari sat together, talking about what they thought might happen at the fire station. I hope Charlie let me ride in the fire engine, said Billy. I really hope he shows us how to use the hose, said Amari. When they arrived, Mr. Clark led the children off the bus and into the station. This is Charlie, said Mr. Clark. Charlie stood in front of them and waved. Look at his awesome uniform. Oh, look at Charlie. Charlie pulled off her helmet. Hi, Tulip class, she said. It's so good to meet you. I'm Charlie and I'm a firefighter. Does anyone know what a firefighter does? But look, Charlie is not a man. She is a girl. Let's see what firefighters do. You put out fires, said Grace. You help people in emergencies, said Aisha. You rescue kittens from trees, said Kai. Wow. Charlie smiled. Firefighters are part of the emergency services and we help keep people safe. If there is a fire, you can call us and we will come to rescue people and put the fire out. Sometimes we rescue animals too. Is it hard? Asked Annie. Charlie thought for a moment. Being a firefighter can be hard, said Charlie. Fires are dangerous, so I have to be brave. I also have to keep fit to make sure I'm strong enough to do the job. But the thing that every firefighter needs most is a great team. It's the other firefighters that keep me do my job, even when it's hard. Now, who wants to see the fire engine? Asked Charlie. They headed out behind the fire station to find a big, bright red fire engine. Wow, said Billy, it's amazing. If you'd like to get in, then I need to see some great teamwork, said Charlie. Are you ready to take turns? Tulip class lined up in pairs and waited patiently until everyone had been inside. Mr. Clark took lots of photographs of the children sat behind the steering wheel. I'm just like a real firefighter, said Medina. Can I have a volunteer to use hose? Asked Charlie. A sea of hands stood up and Charlie chose Amari first. It's very powerful, said Charlie. Hold on tight and we'll do it together. Let's see if the water will reach that building. The hose come to life and a huge jet of water shot forwards, covering the wall. Good job, said Charlie. You would make a super firefighter. After everyone had used the hose, they headed back into the fire station to learn more about all of the equipments. Charlie's amazing, said Dylan. She's even cooler than I imagined. I hope I can be as good as a firefighter as Charlie when I'm older, said Tayo. She's incredible, said Medina. I'm going to be a brave, strong firefighter when I grow up too. I will be in your team, said Annie. As the class got ready to leave, Aisha walked over to join Charlie. Charlie, should I be a firefighter when I grow up? You should be whatever you want to be, said Charlie. The best thing you can is be yourself. Ah, now they are headed back with thought full of the things what they want to be when they grow up. The end. See you again next time.